Hello kids, hello parents, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our new class, the I digraph sound lesson. So today we're going to talk about these, the I and I. It sounds like the I digraph. So we have here I, and here I, and here I. Okay, it's all of them sounds like the I digraph. Students in this lesson will be able to identify and distinguish the sound spelling I and I and I. I will repeat. Okay, here I, and here I, and here I. So we have here the I sound can be spelled I like in tie, tie, tie. Okay. The I sound can be spelled like I like in bike, bike, bike. The I sound here can be spelled like I, sky, sky, sky. We have to know that the I and I make the sound I. Now kids, all I want from you to rewrite the words above and keep practicing on it. Stay safe, my beautiful students. I love you. Bye bye.